In this video, we are going to see that if you're having problems with Windows Update and it says updates failed because of the error code 0x80073712, we are going to see a couple of solutions and one of them might definitely work for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. First of all, what we have to do is just head over to the start menu and just click on the File Explorer. Then just click on this PC, and once you see your main drive wherever your Windows are installed, just double click on C drive, because in my case the Windows sign is put here. That means I'm sure that whatever the letter is, Windows is installed right here. Just double click on it. Just double click on a Windows folder and just search for software distribution. It's very simple to search between all of these folders because these are perfectly arranged in the alphabetical sequence. So just scroll down until you see that software distribution. Just double click on this. Now go inside the download folder, and after that you will see several folders here. Just don't worry, press Control A and just delete that from here. Delete multiple items. It confirms you permanently delete that. If you're not sure about that, you can also move it to recycle bin, but I'm sure about that, so I'm deleting this permanently. Click on yes. If it shows you need administrator access, click on continue, and you can do it multiple times, and you can also check this, do this for all the current items, and that should be it. But I suggest you to restart your Windows before proceeding to update Windows, and that should be it. You should be having no problem after that. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and comment down below if that works for you, and if some other methods works for you, also comment down so that it can help all the community out here. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.